So real quick, I realized after I finished my painting that I didn't do the background and show you all. Just want to give you an idea of cutting this in. So I wanted to go ahead and include that for you. You know, again, our background is very important in defining our petals. So you noticed as I was painting along these edges, I'm not being careful. You know, I already put in this green background early on in my study, but I just took so much of my brush and just let it go out. And again, the reason why we're trying to blend these together so that our flower looks a part of our background. So just, you know, quickly what I would be doing now with the background, I'm going to go back. I'm going to take my dark green. I'm looking at this petal over here, and I can just start cutting it in. And just as I did with the peony, I want you to see that I'm not careful at all. I'm just bringing my brush right up into what I've already applied, you know, the edges of this flower. So as a disclaimer, you know, we do want to wait and get all of our mixtures in for our flower, because otherwise you can risk getting that into, you know, in that background into your flower. Now, if you do, again, well, it's okay. I mean, you know, you'll reapply it, but it's just one more step that you have to do. So if we can be careful about that, then maybe we won't get as much of that into our flower petals. And just like I did with my peony, I can take my flower, bring it down, and then just like that. So I wanted you to see just how we go back and forth like that with our background. I made this petal very large. I might want to keep it large, or I might want to cut this in. Bring this in, kind of make this a little scallopy of the petal if you want. And then just back and forth. Right here is very, very dark. I would bring this down maybe like that. Okay, So that's all I'm going to show you. I will keep working on this. I will have this flower on Saturday, so you can see it up close, see the additional work that I do on it. And but this will just give you an idea of what I would do when I would start putting my background in. All right, very good.